Well, today we'll be discussing a very small. Today I made a very small video discussion how the energy system within a human body, which consists of an energy body around us, and the chakras relate to the positioning or relate to our house. Now, this is a topic which just giving you a basic idea how our health is affected by our house. Now, this is us and this is house. Now, our house, when we look at the energy structure of the house, now this is house and this is the energy structure of the house. This is the north direction, this is the south direction, this is the west direction, this is the east direction. Now, as per the energy structure of the house, your southeast corner should be the fire element. Your southwest corner should be the earth element. Your northwest corner should be the air element, and northeast corner should be the water element. And your center part, which is called Brahmasthan, also is a space element. Now, this is the energy structure of the house which we should ideally have. When we have this ideal structure of energy within our house, automatically the energy flow takes place in our body from these areas of our house, and once the energy from the house goes to our body, it keeps us healthy automatically. But what normally happens is, because most of us are not aware of how the house designing has to be done based on different elements, these elements get shifted. Somebody will shift this fire element to this point, or earth element will get shifted to this corner. So what happens is, when these elements are not kept in the position where they should be ideally, as per the energy structure defined in Vedic books or spiritual texts, then there is a conflict of energy within these elements. Once earth element goes at the position of fire element, it will create a conflict. Then it will create a conflict. Those conflicting energies will go in your body and affect your health. So basically, this small video is to tell you that if you design your house based on the energy structure which is given to us, then automatically this energy structure will take care of the energy flow within your body, and you will have a better health and prosperity. So this is the basic concept of what you call Feng Shui or Vastu, how by maintaining a house based on the energy structure, a person can create prosperity and good health for himself or herself. So this is how your energy body and your house relate to each other with regard to the energy flow. Thank you. Thanks a lot. This is Parag signing off. Thank you.